For too many students in California, the future of technology remains just out of reach, especially for girls, students of color, and youth in low-income or rural communities. But something is changing. Backed by the 2023 Educator Workforce Investment Grant, the Seasons of CS is transforming computer science education across the state. This isn't just another training program, it's a movement, empowering educators at every stage of their journey with high-quality, culturally responsive, professional learning. Over 2,000 educators across all California regions have already participated, impacting tens of thousands of students. Workshops like Bootstrap Algebra, CS Principles, eMix, and CS Integration for Science are designed to meet educators where they are, whether they've taught computer science for years or are just starting out. In the summer of 2024 alone, 736 educators completed intensive multi-day training sessions. More than half had no prior experience teaching computer science. Yet by the end, 98% reported feeling part of a strong, supportive community. The impact is real. Survey and interview results shows increases in educator confidence, especially among women and teachers of color. Seasons of CS doesn't just teach technical skills, it equips educators to build inclusive classrooms where all students can see themselves as creators, thinkers, and innovators. Because computer science isn't just about coding, it's about problem solving, critical thinking, and giving students the power to shape the world around them. Behind this movement is a statewide network of collaboration. Educators from schools and districts across California come together to share ideas, build community, and support one another. This collaboration is powered by County Office of Education CS Champions, leaders who coordinate professional learning opportunities and advocate for access to computer science education in their regions. Over 90% of them report feeling confident in their roles as CS leaders, helping to drive teacher engagement and remove barriers to participation. But the work doesn't stop there. Seasons of CS is also about advocacy, ensuring that computer science is prioritized at every level of the education system. Grounded in the state's professional learning and CS standards and informed by a model of statewide system of support, Seasons of CS is building lasting capacity for accessible, high-quality instruction. The vision is clear, a future where every student in California, regardless of their background, has access to meaningful, high-quality computer science education. A future where every teacher feels empowered to lead it. Because Seasons of CS is more than professional learning. It's a promise to our educators, our students, and our communities that computer science is for everyone. Together, we're shaping the future, one classroom at a time. Remember, all students can learn CS, and all teachers can teach CS.